Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sweta and in today's video we are going to dive a stack and position widget in a Flutter. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any upcoming Flutter tutorials. So let's get started. So the stack widget is useful when you want to place widget on top of each other in a layer similar to a stack of card. So here is add I image to a stack of card. Okay, so widgets within a stack can be a position relative to the edges or corner of the stack. Key properties of stack. So first is the children, a list of widgets to be displayed in the layered manner. Alignment, to determine the alignment of all the children within the stack. Defaults of alignment directional dot top start. Fit specifies how the stack should size itself based on the children. Options include stackFit.loose is the default, stackFit.expand, stackFit.pass-through. So, and then clip behaviors. So, determine if overflowing children should be clipped to the stack's boundaries. Options include clip.none and clip.hard edges. So, let's see with example. So, we are using a stack. In this example, first we are add a stack widget. Okay, so here is the different stack widget like alignment, text direction, stack fit as we are so, clip behavior and children widgets. Okay, so in the children we are using a one container with background color. Okay, fill the stack area and upon of the container we are using position. So the first position widget at the top left, we are using a top and left properties of position using top left. Okay, then we are using a widget top right. So we are add a top and right property of position. Then we are using bottom left, so we are using bottom and left property of position. Same we are using bottom right, so we are using bottom and right property of position. And then we are add a center, so tap top and left, also we are using a bottom and right. So here is the full example of stack and the position, how it's work. Position widgets is only we are using only on stack as a parent. Okay, here we are explain position widget requires stack as a parent. It will not work outside a stack as it relies on a stack ability to layer and overlap widget as we are so. Okay, it places child widget at specified position using top, left, right and bottom. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Flutter tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.